Hey, I'm Chris Whitehurst from Berkshire Hathaway-RW Town Home Services, and this is Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. Hey y'all, Chris Whitehurst, and this is the Terms, Tips, and Tricks for Real Estate. I believe knowledge is power, so go ahead, subscribe, and ring that notifications bell. There's a new episode each week, and they're packed full of information. You're not going to want to miss one. This is episode 155, and today we're going to be talking about updating your insurance in case of a disaster. If you're a homeowner like me, you likely follow home prices. You get excited about your value going up. And to be honest, that's just a very natural part of our long-term financial plan. It's exciting to know that your investment is growing. But what happens if we have a natural disaster, a fire, and if you haven't updated your home insurance, you could be forced to rebuild with less than the value of your home, meaning you're going to have to downsize your home to replace it. There are great insurance agents in our area. I literally could name half a dozen right off the top of my head. What you want to do is you want to call your agent and make sure that your replacement cost is going to be what you want in order to make sure you can replace what you currently have if you're covered in case of a disaster. Be a real quick conversation just to make sure that you're covered in case anything tragic were to happen. If you like these videos, you can check out past episodes and other great content over on my website and my social media pages, YouTube. I'm on social media like YouTube and Facebook. I got a lot of great content over on the YouTube channel, all the previous episodes. They're all there. Go check them out. If you have any questions, reach out to me directly. Until next time, I'm Chris Whitehurst. Welcome home.